July is already here. We're halfway through 2025, and a lot of people have been sharing with me that they feel a little bit off balance, out of sorts, and there's a lot of energy floating around, a lot of negativity. People are not sure what's going on. So, I just wanted to remind you that if you're feeling a little uneasy or out of sorts, the best cure that I have found is spending time in nature. So that means going for a walk, getting out to a park, getting near water, whether you live near a ocean, lake, river, just sitting outside and taking a few deep breaths and telling yourself, I am okay in this moment. I am okay in this moment because when you're in the present and you realize that everything's okay, then your vibration shifts, your energy shifts, and guess what? Your mindset shifts. So you're okay. Just go out in nature and everything will work out because nothing lasts forever.